about the principles of community service learning. If you have the textbook, you can open page 1. So, give me the type of communities that you belong to. Communities that you belong to. Tell me the communities that you belong to. Yes? School community, yes? We have a global community, religious community, national community. Yes? Sorry? Yes, virtual community, regional community. Yes, regional community. So, what do we mean by a community? What is a community? What is a community? Yes? Yes, very good. The ones who are chatting, you'll tell us what you're talking about. We were talking about a community. And I was asking what a community is, and he said a community is very good. Have one clap for him. One clap. So he said that a community is a group of people who share the same interests. They share also the same what? Values. And they may live in the same geographical what? Area. So for you to be a community, it is not necessary you live in the same area. That's why we have the may. But you have shared what? You have shared identity, shared purpose, and value. From there, you are usually most of the time asked about these communities that we talked about. We start with the school community. If you have this book open the book. You see the first picture? Yes, come in. The first picture, which community is that? Can you, young man, the textbook is here, look. You see where A is? Which community is that? Raise up your hand, yes? Yes, school community, and we wrote, school community, they share the same values, the same purpose, interest, and because you're in the same area, you also share the same what? Geographical area. For example, here when you're talking about you have the same identity, it basically means that you have of studying very early in the morning, yes, and you extend. Because of that culture, now all of you belong in the same community in this school. Also, you have the same, another identity is, all of you share the same identity using your school name. All of you, if you go somewhere, you will say you are in which boys' school, you share the same what? Identity. So the same, this is the school what? School community. B is which community? Someone else? Yes? Sorry? Very good. Religious community. And we belong in different religious community. We have the CU and we have the what? YCS and we have the what? Muslims. The Muslims. Do we have the Hindus here? Yes. Yes. So we have common beliefs. In religions we have common belief. We all believe in one what? God. Right? We also have the same interests. Yes? We have the same interests. We have the interest of helping each other. If we belong to the same religious community, also it means we worship what? Together. We worship together. Then we go to the third one. You see the third one? C. Yes, someone who's not spoken, yes? Yes, very good. This is the national community. And you can see, yes, a president there. Which president? Yes, Moi Kibaki, right? So, if you're in a national community, it means you share the same geographical location. All of us are what? Kenyans. We are in that area of Kenya. And then we have the UN. You see the UN, yes? The UN means? United Nations. Which community is that? Yes, very good. Global community. And the UN, they all collaborate. They all collaborate in the UN to ensure that all of you receive your human rights. That is human rights upheld. One of the rights that you know, human rights, is that you have the right to do what? To live. Then we go to E. E, we have which community? Raise up your hand. Yes, very good. Regional community. We have the AU. The AU, what does AU mean? Yes, African Union. Then we have the Green Planet community, that is F. Raise up your hand. Yes. Virtual community. Virtual community, in that the Green Planet community, they have the common interest of protecting the earth. Also, when we're talking about virtual community, we are talking about learning platforms. For example, we have the WhatsApp groups. Those are virtual communities. You belong to a WhatsApp group. Are you already in a WhatsApp group? Like your parents are in the school WhatsApp group of grade 10. Are you getting me? So that is a community. It's in the virtual community. Are you understanding? Yeah. Also, when we talk about a virtual community, we talk about a group you belong to in Facebook. You see, when you like a group, you follow a group on Facebook. For example, if you are into football, you will follow them, right? Okay. So on Facebook, if you know that, you're in the community, the football community. If you're into Formula 1, how many here like Formula 1? Yes, very good. If you're in that group now, you belong to the community. I also like Formula 1. Any online platform that you're in digital, it's virtual community. We also have, you will find that maybe when we are, I don't know whether here they do that, where we are not in session, you can have a Google classroom. We can teach you while you're sometime back in a school that I was, when there was COVID, we were teaching using the Google classroom. That is, we had the virtual community, and they were students were from different schools, but we had received the donations abroad, so we were teaching all students virtually. From there, I want us, we talk about characteristics of a community. When you ask about characteristics of a community, yes, and he's looking about in the exercise book, but I think we never talked about it. When you talk about what a community is, in the definition, you can see the characteristics. Number one characteristic of a community, when page 3, they have a shared identity. That is one characteristic. They have a shared identity in that they speak, for example, you are a Kenyan because we speak the same language. We share the same language. You can be able to speak Swahili. We share the same identity. We also share the same purpose. What do you mean share the same purpose? Is that we all of us have a common goal. We all have a common goal. Here in school, we have a common goal of passing examination so that you can be allocated to a particular a particular work area, right? Yes. The CBE already has directed you to a particular job opportunity, right? Yes. So we have a shared purpose. The purpose to be in school is that you gain knowledge. Also, another characteristic of a community is we have the shared values. And most of the values that we share the value of love, unity, and peace. We also share the value of being morally upright. That's why we have to forgive each other. If someone wrongs you, you can forgive them. We have also a common. Another characteristic of community is that we live in a common geographical area. Where do we live, all of us right now? Yes, but all of us, we belong to the national community. So we are all living in the same geographical area, which is what? Kenya, right?